Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about an age-old debate: digital drawing versus traditional drawing. Both have their unique charms, but what are the main differences between them, and which one is truly the best? Let's start with the classic traditional drawing. Traditional drawing provides a hands-on tactile experience, the feeling of a pencil or brush on paper and the physicality of the art materials can be incredibly satisfying. And of course, you can sketch or draw without worrying about batteries or technical malfunctions. Traditional art is often associated with authenticity and a sense of tradition. Many artists appreciate the history and craftsmanship that comes with traditional tools. So, seeing an original hand-drawn illustration is really considered as special to a lot of people. It is really easy to start. Take a pen, take a paper, then just start. You don't need to draw amazing things, just start learning the basics. Skills learned in traditional drawing often transfer well to digital art, so understanding fundamental principles like shading, perspective, and composition remains crucial in both mediums anyway. Now let's switch gears and talk about digital drawing. The one thing that I absolutely love about digital drawing is the undo button. Really, one of the perks of digital art is the ability to undo mistakes. This can be a game changer if you want to experiment without the fear of ruining your work. You just have to take it back or erase some part that you don't want anymore. That's really easy. Digital art offers a vast range of tools and brushes. You can mimic traditional mediums or explore entirely new and unique styles. Blend modes, opacity slider, layer mask, duplicating, deleting, merging, hiding, naming, and rearranging. You can make your artwork in layers and choose the canvas size and shape. You can also save your digital drawing in an incredibly high resolution, which is amazing, and then sharing it in different formats as PST, PNG, PDF, JPEG, or whatever you want, which means you can export your half-made work and continue working on your computer. Unlike traditional art, there is no need for messy paints, eraser shavings, or the constant need to clean your brushes. So we can say that digital art is a cleaner option. With the tablet in your hand, you can literally draw anywhere, anytime, on the bus, on the plane, in a restaurant, on your bed, without a lot of tools needed. So which one is the best? Well, it depends on your preferences and artistic goals. If you enjoy the tactile feel of paper, the smell of paint, and the authenticity of traditional art, then stick with what you love. Traditional drawing has a timeless appeal. And if you're tech-savvy, love the convenience of an undo button, and want to explore a wide range of digital tools, then digital drawing might be your calling. But you know the best thing is that you don't have to choose one of them. Actually, sometimes I love to mix both, starting in a traditional way, then refining it digitally. There are really infinite options. However, if you want to learn drawing from scratch, perspective, shading, proportion, etc., I think the best way is to start in a traditional way, because once you want to draw digitally, there are new skills you will need to learn, like using layers, adjustments, and other different tools. But that's my opinion, of course, and everybody has a different way of learning. So let me know in the comment what you prefer. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy drawing!